1976 Chevrolet Malibu Classic two-door sport coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Believed to be original miles, 87,169 showing on the odometer. Underneath the hood, 305 V8 power, power steering, power brakes, AC. Automatic transmission, so turbo hydromatic 350. Let's take a look at the chrome bright work up front. I believe this would have been considered medium saddle paint color back in '76. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You can be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Paint does show its age some. Appears like it may be original in areas. There is some rock chipping up on that kind of flat area up on the nose of it. Still a fun car to take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. One of those cars you can get into without breaking the bank. A little more reasonably priced than the earlier 70 and late 60s editions. Riding on the rally style wheels, BF Goodrich radials. Take a look down the passenger side of this car. Also a medium saddle color interior, bent seat up front, cloth interior. Also appears that that could be original. Aftermarket stereo added, JBC head unit, Pioneer speakers. Speaking of that, I will tell you a little more of what's going to come with this car. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A few extras that are going to come with it. Car cover. Looks like maybe the original speaker that was in it, as well as the original stereo and the boxes from the aftermarket stereo install, and some miscellaneous parts. So we have belts, lug nuts. Those will be in the still pictures too, so once again, take your time looking through those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. That Landau vinyl roof looking good. If you like these late 70s Chevys, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. So we take a look down the driver's side, very similar to the passenger side. No major nicks, dings, or scratches, but you do have some light chipping on the lower portions, and you'll be able to see that in the underside pictures. We'll have an angle up where you can see the lower rockers and lower exterior. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panels look original. Not a lot of wear on that armrest. And then, speaking of which, not a lot of wear on the seats either. A little vinyl side and fabric or cloth seating area. Tilt column, cruise control. Tech did note the cruise control does work. Let's fire the 305 up. All right, we have over here fuel gauge. It was a cold start, so we'll let it warm up a little bit, come off high idle. There's that JVC stereo system. Let's check it out. Find a good station here. So the stereo working. Sounding good. Top of the dash, not cracked. Wow. Even around the speaker, you're familiar with this era car. This thing was stored indoors, most likely. Alright, slip around so we can hear it run. Check out that headliner first. That's looking good, so no rips, holes, tears in the interior. Nothing crazy over the top for the exhaust, just nice sounding. All right, let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood open so we check out this engine bay. And remember, stick around to the end of the video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. There's a look at the underside of the hood. When I was opening it, came off of high idle, so we're on low idle now. Very clean, nice, tidy engine bay. Wow. Kind of leads you to believe that that is actual miles at 87,169. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Smooth runner. Again, 305 paired up with that turbo hydromatic 350 automatic trans. Sounded good. '76 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through all the still pics. 507-386-1726, number to call. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1976 Chevrolet Malibu. Looking very 1976, a little bit of wood grain in the dash, some browns and some beiges. It is a throwback car. Very nice condition. Seats, door panels. Dash looks really good. The blower motor works on this car. In the dash, we have from back in the day a JVC cassette player. With, of course, Dolby noise reduction. We have extra speakers added up on the dash and in the back deck lid from Pioneer. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. Wipers are working on this car. It really feels like a low mile machine. You can sometimes just tell when the suspension's tight, steering's tight. There's hardly any wear on things like the steering wheel, or even the pedals for that matter. Speedometer is working as it should. Fuel gauge is reading almost full. Those would be the some of our gauges. The rest would be warning lights. Brakes work as they should. Nice power brakes, power steering. Corner's a little better than I expected. It doesn't lean as much as I would have thought. A little luxurious, but also very nice in the corners. Mainly the condition of the interior is just really nice. Crisp edges on things. Good road manners, nice feel for the road. Letting go of the wheel, this car stays straight in the lane. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.